Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer fulfillment from Shopify to FedEx Fulfillment One detailed. To begin transferring fulfillment from Shopify to FedEx Fulfillment One, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left of your Shopify dashboard. Click on Shipping and Delivery to access your current shipping settings. Next, scroll down to find the Fulfillment section. Select Manage Available Fulfillment Services to review your existing fulfillment. Here, you will need to disable any previous fulfillment services to smoothly integrate FedEx Fulfillment One. To add FedEx Fulfillment One, go back to the Settings menu. Select Apps from the menu options. In the Apps section, click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. Once in the App Store, search for FedEx Fulfillment One. Choose the FedEx Fulfillment One app from the search results and click on it. Then, select the Add App button to begin the installation. After installation, you'll be prompted to connect your FedEx Fulfillment account. Log in with your FedEx credentials to authenticate the connection. Once connected, you will need to configure your shipping settings for FedEx Fulfillment. Set your shipping preferences such as shipping rates, delivery times, and packaging options. Review the settings carefully and make adjustments to meet your business needs. Next, ensure that your product listings are aligned with FedEx Fulfillment One. Check each product's SKU and inventory levels to match the requirements of FedEx. Once everything is set up, initiate a test order in Shopify. Monitor the order fulfillment process to ensure a seamless transition to FedEx Fulfillment. If any issues arise, consult the FedEx Fulfillment Help documentation for troubleshooting. After confirming that everything functions correctly, your fulfillment is now successfully transferred to FedEx Fulfillment One. Stay informed by regularly checking both your Shopify and FedEx accounts for updates or changes. Ensure your customer notifications are set up for seamless communication regarding order status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.